triangle, ma'am.
Sorry?
That's triangle. We draw triangles in it.
Yes, we draw triangles or squares.
Yes, I know
Irregular.
that, ma'am.
I
We
know,
cut
I know,
shapes
I
and
know. Yes. So, okay. So, we do that today?
Yes.
Yes, great. So, everybody is here.
And what are we going to do today?
Today, we are making mosaic art. We will be making a design.
Type of paintbrush should I use the light one or the dark one?
Use the smaller one. If you have a round brush, Hamza, that will be better. Okay.
I only have these.
Otherwise, the small one is good. Okay. So now, the Romans,
Ma'am?
they used to decorate their walls. Yes.
Ma'am,
Who is that?
this brush is okay. Maya Kasim.
This is a little too big, Humaira. If you have a round brush, will do. Okay.
I don't have it.
Okay. So we'll manage with this. So first, today we are going to start with our drawing. Okay. So Abdullah Patel, can you please share some pictures of the mosaic art I have shared with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just let's have a look at what it is.
Oh.
So can you see this? So they
Yes.
have made one sunflower. Just a minute, Abdullah, just go back to the sunflower. Oh, okay, let's stick to the fish. Let's wait here for the fish. Yeah, so now here you can see the fish. You can see the design of the
We
fish.
have to paint like this.
Inside. Yes. So it is a very, very easy technique. You will enjoy this. Okay. So if
Ma'am,
you
we
can
can.
see inside. Okay,
Ma'am, we
listen
can.
to me first. Listen to me first. Then I will answer all of you. Okay.
Paper tape also.
Hold on. Hold on. First, understand what this art is all about. Okay. So here, what they have done. This is a huge tile. They have used small colored chips and they have made a design out of it. Can you see? It's so beautiful. So these are colored stones. So actually, mosaic art is used. They use colored stones or chips, the ceramic tiles, and then they make a design. But today, what we are going to do is similar thing. We will be doing it on paper. We will be drawing it, and we will be coloring it. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we can stick tape and we can paint it whatever we want to, and it will finish and we can take it that paint.
Yes, you can do that. You are telling me to stick the tape around the page, right?
Yes,
4 sides of the page. Yes, you can do that.
I can do
Okay.
it.
But if you can do it, but if you have not done it, let's not waste time on that. Okay. Next time, whoever wants to stick tape, you should do it and bring it. Okay.
Ma'am, I have it. I can stick.
Yeah, but now, okay, do it quickly if you want. But I'm going to start the drawing, so don't
Ma'am, should
waste
I
time
stop
on that.
share?
Okay.
Ma'am, wait for 1
Yes.
minute.
Yes. Yes, Abdullah. Okay. Now, today what we are going to draw is, we are going to make a small boat, a yacht, and we are going to use this mosaic technique and we are going to paint the entire picture. Okay. So if we can finish our drawing quickly, we'll be able to color it also today, or we will do the coloring in the next class. Okay. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anas.
Ma'am, see,
Are you showing?
I made this space trip.
I can't see it very clearly, Anas. Your video is switched off.
Yeah, ma'am. Let me see.
Yes, it's still not. Okay, yeah, that's lovely. Very nice. Very nice. Great. Okay. So now I'm going to share my page. Yes, who is that? Hello, Aisha. Okay. So let us start with the design. Can you see my screen clearly?
Wait
Yes,
one
ma'am.
minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yes, please make it fast. So first what we'll do is, Humera, I'm just going very slow, okay?
Paper is okay.
What is okay?
Ma'am, this much size
Please.
paper is okay.
Yeah, small size page is good. Yes. If it is too big, I would prefer that you make it into half or just use the center portion, okay?
Ma'am,
Don't make it
this
very
much is
big.
okay.
It's a 4A
That's-
size.
Ma'am, this is a
Yes.
printer page.
Ma'am,
Printer page
Yes,
is okay.
Humera. Yes, it's okay.
Printer page is
Ma'am,
okay.
It's okay. Yes, Humera.
But 34
Yes,
by
Aisha.
20. I'm see.
Oh, lovely. Very nice, Aisha. Beautiful. Beautiful pencil shading. Okay, now let's start with our drawing. So first I'm going to start with making one wave. Can you see this? That's lovely, Aisha. Aisha, can you post it on the group? Can you post it on the group so that all of us can
Yes,
see it?
ma'am.
Great. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see my screen clearly? Is my screen?
Ma'am, is this much paper enough?
See, use any size paper.
This way.
Use any size paper, it's okay, but try to get a drawing book. Okay.
Ma'am, how should I hold it? Horizontal or vertical?
Yes, horizontal.
Like
Yes,
standing, ma'am.
no problem, Rushda. You can watch the recording, you will understand, okay?
Like standing, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, see.
Yes, all of you, let's go ahead with whatever you
Ma'am,
have.
what are we drawing? Ma'am, standing
Just a
or
minute, Aisha.
sleeping, ma'am?
Sleeping, Abdullah, horizontal. Yeah. We are doing mosaic art today, Aisha. So now let's just start. Okay, all of you. So now
Ma'am, can
I
you
have made
show
this
the other
wave here.
side of your book?
Other side of my book means?
Means the opposite side.
Opposite side, but I'm drawing here on this side. There is nothing on the opposite side.
Ma'am, she's
What do you want to see exactly?
page is she cannot see the whole page.
You can't see the whole page? Is that okay? Aisha, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is the wave that I have drawn here. And I'm going to start drawing the yacht. So the boat that you want to draw can be of your choice. It's okay if you want to draw your own. I'm just giving you an idea here, okay? And I'm drawing very dark lines just so that y'all can see. I don't want y'all to draw very dark on the page because later on it will be difficult to rub off those marks, okay? Is this much simple and easy for y'all?
ma'am made it.
Great. Very good. 1 second. I'll just come to you. Yeah, show me Abdullah. Wow, that's nice. Good. Okay.
Ma'am, see, ma'am,
Yes, who is that? You have
Anas.
to just take your name. Yeah, wait, Anas. I'll come to you. Yeah, very nice, Anas. Lovely. Lovely. Okay. So let's now make the pattern on it.
Ma'am, can I
So
show you my first?
Yes, Aisha.
1 minute.
I can't see Aisha. Just show it to me again. No, it's too close and it's, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Nice, very nice. Okay, now let's go ahead. Now this boat was a very easy one to do. Now we are going to make patterns on this. Now just see the kind of pattern that I'm doing here. I'm making triangles, okay? And how I'm making the triangles, all of you just stop and observe how I'm doing this. 2 minutes, just stop, okay? So I'm going to make triangle, leaving a little space and make another triangle. Did you see that?
Ma'am, can you
also
show
make a
again?
box. Yeah, I'm just going to continue drawing. You just follow. And here you don't have to be particular about the pattern. You can go ahead and make triangles
Ma'am,
or
can we-
squares.
Ma'am, your mobile is very much shaking.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Is that
can we
okay
make
now?
any shape? Ma'am,
Yes, you can. Yes, you
ma'am,
can.
can you show the yacht, please? 1 minute.
Yes. Can you see the yacht?
Ma'am, can we do any shape?
Yes, you can do any shape. Make a shape of your own choice if you like. And here I have also made a sun. Okay.
मैम शिव को
Ma'am, can
और
we,
बना
ma'am,
सकते
your
हैं
videos on I can't see.
मैम शिप को छोड़ के
Everybody can-
और कुछ नहीं बना सकते हैं?
हाँ, बना सकते हैं. आपको क्या बनाना है? You want to make a lotus or you want to make a sunflower?
Okay.
Yes, Humaira? Yeah, whatever you want to make.
Ma'am, I made those lines.
Okay, so now see the pattern here. I'm going to continue with the pattern. So just see, observe. and
Ma'am,
you
your
can either
screen is
follow.
blurry. It is not clear.
Is it blurry for everybody?
Yes. Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see that now? Is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what we'll do is we'll just draw patterns. Can you see? You can draw big or small patterns. All we have to see is there should be a thin line in between these patterns. Okay. So that shows that these, the way they used to use the stones, the
Ma'am.
chips, they would not stick them together. They would leave a little space here in between. Okay, so that's how we are going to draw. We are also going to leave some space.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can draw earth.
Yes, you can draw whatever you want, but we are going to use the mosaic
Like the
technique. Okay?
giraffe.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm like the giraffe.
Yes, exactly, like the giraffe. True. Is it simple for everyone? Everybody is understanding this? Okay, Juveria, thank you. Ibrahim, is it easy for you since you've done it before?
Yes, ma'am. I finished the yacht. Now I am in the pattern.
Very good. So what we'll do is, let's try and finish this water pattern first. And we'll do a little painting so that you will have an idea what we are going to do and how we are going to complete our painting, okay? So let's quickly finish this pattern. In our houses also, we get to see this mosaic pattern. Do you know where? Abdullah, can you bring it a little closer? Yeah, that's nice, Abdullah.
सर्कल ड्रॉ किया मैंने.
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, who is that? You'll have to take your name. Yes, can you bring it slightly more closer? Yes, that's fine. Okay, so you can make it a little irregular also, okay? You don't have to be very precise. Okay, Umar? Many people even use this kind of pattern in their bathrooms. And you see the mosaic pattern even in the churches.
They use it as tiles.
Yes, they use it as tiles.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am. In my nan's house, there is a dolphin, ma'am. With
Oh,
that.
wow. Beautiful. So you can draw one of those patterns. You even see this in churches. The glass painting.
Yes, ma'am. In hotels also, they in the windows they
Yes.
make the patterns.
Correct. So everywhere this is used. So today we are going to use it as a painting. We are going to make a painting out of this.
Ma'am, see, I draw earth.
Just a minute. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Okay. So around it, you will have to make this pattern. Okay, Umaira?
मैम नीचे से स्टार्ट करना है.
Yeah, you can start from below. You can start from above, wherever. How? What are you planning now? You want to make water below, or you want to make the
Ma'am, see,
entire
ma'am.
thing as a sky?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anas. 1 second.
I
Yeah,
want
that's
to
nice.
make like
Good.
yours.
Okay, so you
Ma'am,
can
I am
start with the
done.
wave here.
I want to make a wave.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So make a wave, and then you can start making this pattern. Anas, just give me 2 minutes, and then we will start coloring. Okay. Let everybody finish.
Ma'am, I don't want waves. I will start like
Ma'am,
this
can
only.
you see?
I will start.
Okay.
with
Ma'am,
that.
can you see?
Who is that? Juveria?
Yeah. Yes.
Just a minute, Juveria. Let me come to you. Yeah. Wow, that's lovely, Juveria. Very nice.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Okay. So let's now start. All of you have completed your pattern?
No, ma'am, I'm still doing. Wait.
I'm still doing, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll wait.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I just
Abdullah.
started the pattern.
Oh, nice.
I just.
I'm only just started.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, Umar. Yeah, that's very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am, I'm not getting it.
Okay, so see what I'm doing here. Suppose I start from this corner. I will just make random patterns here. I will make either a triangle, or I will make a shapeless design, or a square. Whatever comes to your mind, you can just do it. All you have to do is you have to leave a little space in between the two patterns, okay?
Yes.
So that, yeah, it looks like a mosaic pattern.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yeah, who is that?
Ma'am, yeah, here is one.
Yes, 1 second. Yeah, I'll come to you. Yeah, that's nice. Your yacht could be a little bigger, but otherwise it's good. It's good. You can keep it that way and do a big sun at the side.
Okay. I'll make a big sun. The biggest sun in the world. हमको sun बनाना है. Ta-da! मैं भी एक sun बना.
Okay, so here I'm through with my pattern.
एक चीज बोलो, उन्होंने जबरदस्ती कलर कर दिया. कलर तो होने नहीं वाला.
Ma'am, how I will make it?
Ma'am, can you see
full-
my? कलर तो होने नहीं वाला.
Yes, Aisha. 1 second, Humaira, I'll come to you.
Okay, ma'am.
हमको कलर.
Yeah, that's nice. Very nice.
Am I doing good? I'm done first line.
Yes, I'm done. Just a minute, I'm coming to you. Yes, I'm done. That's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so Humaira, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, how I will make with full sky type?
So the same pattern you have to complete on the sky also. Okay, so if you're going to start here, you can just start with triangles.
Ma'am, I'm starting in first. I will start here.
Where can I see your page?
Here.
Ma'am, you have to make
Just a
pattern in
minute.
the sky.
Ma'am,
Yes,
see.
yes,
can
you
we
can start.
color the water first?
Yes, we will
Ma'am, you
start
have to
with
make
the
pattern in the
watercolor.
sky also.
Yes, we will be doing the pattern in the sky. So
Also,
what we'll
ma'am.
do first? Yes, also. So the entire this painting is going to be in this pattern. Okay.
Ma'am, I
So
cannot
you can,
see properly.
is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So the pattern is going to come here on the yacht also. Okay. So first what we'll do is we'll just start with our coloring.
Is this okay?
Okay. So who is that?
Ma'am, it's me, Hamza. Is this okay?
Hamza, see here, what you have done is you have drawn the lines, but you haven't left a space between the two patterns. Okay. See here how I have done. Can you see here? I have made some, I'll just color one pattern and show you with pencil itself. This is one pattern that I have done. And I have left some space in between here, right? So even when we color, this is going to be colored and this space is going to be blank. Okay, that's how it's going to be. So I showed you the picture of the mosaic you saw. The chips were stuck but not sticking to each other. Sorry.
Ma'am, I did not see the picture. Ma'am, I'm done. See.
Oh, okay. So what I'll do is I will post the picture. Now you just try and do how I'm doing as of now.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Who is
I'm
that?
done, Shani.
Yes, Hamdan.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I want to draw
Okay.
like
Now
this.
let's start with the color.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, yes, Homera. Yes,
It's
you can
proper.
continue
we
like
have
this
to
on the
shade
entire
that.
page. Yes, it's proper.
Thank you.
It's proper, Homera.
And we have to shade that.
No, we are going to paint it. Okay, we are going to use whichever colors. I'm going to use watercolor for this. You can use whichever color you want, but make the color light. Okay, don't
Ma'am, I
use thick
cannot
paint.
see. It's very blurred.
Here, see here.
Yes,
Is
I
it
can
blurred
see it.
for everyone?
I
Yeah.
can see
Okay.
it,
Good.
ma'am. It's like बना देती हूँ.
Arnam Abdullah.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you show how to paint?
see this. Ma'am, see this. Uma. Ma'am, see this. Ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, I was muted. Abdullah, very good. Umar, you also done very well. Both of you, good. So now let's start coloring this.
Ma'am, it's very
Okay.
blurred.
So now,
Ma'am, it's clear.
Ma'am, can you show how to paint?
yes, I'm showing you how to paint. Now I have used, see here, I'm dipping my brush in the water and I'm going to use this watercolor, okay? And I'm going to use the blues. Because I'm drawing the waves, I'm going to use blues. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just lightly, very light color I'm going to use, okay? Not thick paints.
Ma'am, which paint are you using? Which color?
I'm using watercolor cakes. Okay, watercolor cakes, I'm using the blue shade. So if you just observe me now for a minute. So I'm going to just put the paints in the pattern. and leave the space that we have left blank. Okay, the space between the pattern is going to remain blank. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep shading it with different blues. Not necessarily the same blue color. I will keep using different blues. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
I
I
have
just,
only 2 shades of blue.
okay, so no problem. You can use 2 shades of blues. Just see that you add a little more water, but be careful, the water should not start flowing, otherwise the blank space will also get covered. Okay, can you see this? So what we are going to do is we are going to try and complete how much ever we can today with our waves. And by chance we don't get enough time, I expect all of you to complete this much
Ma'am,
and
we
come
have
for
to do
the
all
next
the
one.
shades
Okay?
of blue.
Yes, you can use all the shades of blues. You can add in a little bit of green if you want to.
We only have to use blue.
You can use a little bit of green. See, this is, we are here, what we are showing is, we are showing the sea. Now in the sea, whichever colors you see, let us use those colors, okay? And the sky, we can use oranges, reds, and yellows. So then we will have a contrast here. Okay. And the yacht, we will make a different shade. Okay. We will mix few shades and do the yacht. So again, it should stand out. It should look different from the sky and the sea, right?
Ma'am, can you see I have made it?
Yes, yes. Can you bring it a little closer and keep it straight? Yeah. No, it's going away from the camera. Okay, you can just start painting this. Let's paint this, okay?
तेरा कैमरा उल्टा क्यों मिला?
And ma'am, tell everybody to mute.
Okay, all of you please mute. Everybody has followed up till now? Can you see how beautiful it's looking already? It looks like a glass painting. Mute yourself. I'm also going to add some green here and there, mixed with blue.
Ma'am, I dot earth. I want to what color and to put it in the shapes.
Which shapes? These patterns?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so now since everywhere around it's going to be sky, so you can, it depends on you. You want to use sun, like a orange shades. You can use oranges and
Ma'am, you
reds
can,
everywhere, or you can use
send
blue.
me a picture of that. What color I am to take it?
Okay, so what you do is the earth, since you have made now, use blues
Yes.
and greens on the earth, and
Hmm.
around the earth you use yellows and orange. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll start with that. So you can start with the this shade of orange.
No, ma'am. I'm only asking. I didn't finish it. The pattern.
Okay, okay, okay. Continue.
I will say net and I will do it.
Okay, I will post the picture.
Thank you, ma'am. You posted the
Okay.
earth one.
Okay, so I don't have the earth one, but I will give you an idea. Okay, so I will make one and I will send it. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving that.
Welcome.
आवाज बन रहा है सर.
Please mute yourself.
या सर वही. या सर
Humaira,
వచ్చిడే.
you'll have to mute yourself. How many of you have started coloring? Can I see? Can I see some coloring?
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Very
Aisha
nice,
Faizi.
Abdullah.
Aisha Faizi, ma'am.
Yes,
I've
Aisha.
added a
Wow,
little
lovely.
green.
Very nice. Very good. Continue.
Ma'am,
Very
I'm
nice.
making like this. See.
Yes, Humaira, just a minute. Just a minute, Humaira.
You can see it, ma'am.
Yeah, just a minute. Huh? Hold on. Yes, I can see it. That's lovely. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go ahead. Can I see more people's artwork? Juveria, Umar, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, I want to see yours. Yeah, that's lovely, Juveria.
Ma'am, I started
Nice.
painting.
Okay.
Can you see?
Okay. Yeah, wow, that's nice. Lovely. Very nice. Yes, Juveria, that's lovely.
Thank you.
Ibrahim, very nice. Yes.
Watercolors are very dark, and when I painted now in the gap,
Yes.
right, the water was so thick that it spreaded all over.
Yeah, so
Over
that's
the
what I was
page.
telling you. Okay, so I was telling you that initially that don't use too much of flowing water, make the color light, but take less color on the brush. So now what you do, take very less color on the brush, and doesn't matter whatever has happened, no problem. If you can just dab it with a cloth, just dab it and see if the color can be removed.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try.
Otherwise, leave it. Yeah. Otherwise, leave it as it is. The remaining portion, use less color. Take less color in the brush so that it doesn't spread. So next class, all of you please complete this much and bring it. Okay, so we can start with the yacht and the sky.
I will finish and I will send you a photo.
Yes, Homera. And one more thing which we can also do is, we can complete the pattern in the sky. Okay, leave the yacht patterns. We can do it in the next class.
Ma'am, I'm starting.
Yes,
I
Humera,
didn't
go
start
ahead.
in middle and last. I start in first page. First
Okay,
corner.
yes, okay.
Sorry, I'm dying. किस्सा नहीं आ रहा है.
Video से मैं बोलो.
लेके जाओ उसको. किस्सा. आपकी मम्मा.
Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay, where are y'all? Humera, Kasim, Aisha, Kazi. Can I see your work?
Yes, ma'am. You can see it my work.
That's lovely. Aisha, Kazi.
Yes, ma'am. I've done very, but it will take a very long time.
Yeah, that's nice. Nice. Go ahead. Yes, yes, it's okay. You can add a little bit of green in it.
Yeah, ma'am, I tried, but my colors are not very light and very old. The whole thing will mix up and be spoiled. That's why.
Okay, okay, no problem.
No, ma'am, Abdullah.
Yes, 1 second, Abdullah, I'll come to you. Wow, very nice. It's looking beautiful.
Thank you.
So before we end, I want to see everybody's artwork.
Ma'am, I didn't finish it.
No, whatever, how much ever you have done, how much ever you have completed. Yeah, that's good,
Ma'am,
Umaira.
this is my.
Yes, Aisha, that's lovely. Very nice.
Ma'am, this type
Yes,
of patterns.
very nice. It's come out very well. Okay. So now next time we are going to color the sky and the yacht. Okay, everybody?
Which time?
We have to make the sky also like this, the whole paper like this.
Yes, Abdullah. So you can complete the pattern. Just, oh wow, Umar, that's beautiful. I loved it. It's beautiful. So you can complete the entire sky with the pattern, and yacht we will do it in the next class. Okay, the painting we will complete everything in the next class. All you have to do is complete the pattern of the sky and complete the coloring of the
Ma'am, the
waves.
gaps are proper.
What is proper? Yeah, the gaps are proper. You've done a good job, Humaira. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to color this one. I want to color it scenery type.
Yeah, so as I told you, you can use blues and greens in the earth. Okay, and the
Blue.
wherever you have drawn the, wait, listen to
Blue.
me, Humaira.
Yes.
Yeah, so where you have drawn the earth, inside the earth also, what you do is you make smaller patterns. Okay,
Okay.
the continents, we can make it brown.
Yes.
And the earth, the center of the earth, we will
Yes.
make it blues and greens.
Yes.
And the sky, entire sky, you can use orange and yellows. Okay,
Okay.
done. So now you have to make patterns inside the earth also. So leave the continents and make the patterns wherever there is ocean. That's
Okay, ma'am.
lovely, Juveria. Beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Juveria.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yeah.
King.
Yeah, that's lovely, Aisha. Very nice. All of you have done beautifully. I'm very happy and I'm very proud of you. So we can end the meeting now and we meet
Ma'am.
again in the next class. Yes, Umaira.
Ma'am, I will use this yellow now.
Yeah, you can use all the shades of yellow and
Ma'am,
orange.
can
I
you
have
see?
this only. This one yellow only I have it.
You don't have orange.
No, I don't have. I want to mix it orange.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you see Yahiya's?
Yes, 1 second. I'll be there. Just give me a minute. Yes, Ibrahim, that's lovely. Is it yours or Yaya's?
Yahiya's, ma'am.
Very nice. Beautiful. So now the gaps are visible and it's good. Very good.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. So complete this much. Okay,
Yes.
how much ever I have told y'all.
I can
And we
also
meet in the next. Yes, Sumaira, you
I
can
can-
continue with yeah, you can continue. You can paint it as you like and bring it in the next class. You can leave the earth and paint the background.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see the same way as we have done, you can use shades of yellows and orange.
Yes.
So don't make it same color everywhere. Use different shades. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You are sending me a picture, na?
Yes, I will send you a picture. I will make little bit and I will send you. Okay, not the whole thing.
Yes,
Then
yes.
you will
Thank
get an idea.
you.
Yes.
You will only draw the upper side and down side little bit,
Okay.
and earth one.
Yes.
Earth one I will finish, and only color. How to color?
Okay. Okay, Humaira.
Ma'am, bye. I am leaving.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Everyone, whoever wants to leave can leave now. We'll end the meeting.
अम्मा मेरा कैसा है? देखो.
Very nice.
Abdullah. Abdullah, we can end the meeting now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you everyone in the next class.